Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try white striped shirt with greyish white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white and blue printed shirt with navy blue pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white t-shirt with blue pants and tan loafers. Next you can try blue lining shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try maroon polo t-shirt with tan pants and black loafers. Next you can try blue and white pattern shirt with white pants. Next you can try white printed shirt with black cargo pants and black boots. Next you can try white half sleeve shirt with brown pants and beige loafers. Next you can try blue striped shirt with black pants and tan loafers. Next you can try white printed shirt with black pants and green loafers. Watch this video to know 35 polo t-shirt outfit ideas.